Hello there, sewing friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Alice Murray, and this is Murr-Made Designs. And you are at day 28 of 365 days of sewing makes. Garments that I am going to make and show you. We've got almost to a month now. Thanks for coming along on this journey, on this adventure, on this grand adventure. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share it. I would appreciate that so much. And today, what I want to show you is this little outfit. It is a 2020 release by New Look 6678. You can see they have a pair of pants and a little top with puff sleeves. Puff sleeves are very in this year. It has buttons down the front and darts. It also has darts in the back. The pants have darts in the back. The pants have a zipper on the side. And I will show you my version. I just love these pants. They are made out of linen and they just feel so nice. It's a very nice weight of linen. I'll show you. Can't get my leg up high enough to show you, so I'll just show you this sample. The color is called Malibu, and it's got some blue yarn in it. I got it from a company called Funky Monkey Fabrics that ships out of Watford, Ontario, Canada. And this fabric is called Essex Yarn Dyed Linen in Malibu. And it's $15 a meter, and it took about 2 meters to make these pants. It's a very beautiful fabric. It feels wonderful. And the top I made out of a dark indigo lightweight cotton voile. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And it was $8.50 a meter. It's very, very lightweight. When you hold it up to the light, it you can almost see through it. And so I was wondering, what am I going to make with that? But when I saw this pattern, I thought it would need a very lightweight material to make these puffy sleeves, and it works just perfect for this top. It was a dream to sew, as were these pants. There's a facing up here, a facing in the back, and of course the button facing down the front. The pants don't even have a waistband. They just have like a piece of bias binding that you can use twill tape, or I cut just a piece of binding from the linen and put around the waist, and then a side zipper. No pockets in it, unfortunately. As you know, I am a fan of pockets. Give you one more twirl. But I think this is a very cute outfit. This top isn't a style I think I've ever worn, but puff sleeves are in. Who knew? So I made it, and I like it. I think it's okay. So I think that New Look 6678 2020 release, I think this pattern's a winner. If you're looking for something cute like that to make. And I just want to end with my grateful thread today. I am very, very grateful for teachers. With the current situation, the best choice for our family was to homeschool. And so I've been helping to homeschool my grandsons. and it's hard. My hat is off to teachers. They make a hard job look easy. They always have a smile on their face. They always, teach with such joy. They instill the joy of learning in children. And so my hat is just off to teachers. I think, can't say enough about how grateful I am for teachers. And I also want to say how grateful I am for just parents and the hard decisions they had to make this year with regards to education. And whatever you decided the right thing. So yeah, we'll all get through this. And so just want to hear if there's any teachers in your life that you're grateful for. Something really amazing happened yesterday. My grade 6 teacher called me, and it was so nice to hear from her. I haven't been in grade 6 for a really long time, so it was so nice that she thought of me and called me. So love to hear what teachers you're grateful for. So I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun.